This 2011 Acura MDX is brought to you by Eugen and number 039, S Auto Sales and Repairs. 2011 Acura MDX AWD Advanced/Entertainment Package Navigation/Backup Cam/TV/DVD Financing available. This 2011 Acura MDX is a solid choice for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV, thanks to its sporty performance, technology features, and all-around utility. Capable handling, high safety scores, loads of optional high-tech toys, powerful engine with decent fuel economy, relatively large third-row seat for a mid-size luxury SUV. We and number 39, we one of the most trusted dealer in the area. We provide a fabulous experience from the moment you call us to well after you acquired your vehicle of choice. We price our cars right, so that you always get one of the most competitive price on the market, and the best value despite our best efforts to provide you useful and accurate information regarding our vehicles. Errors are human, and may appear from time to time. Please, call us ahead of time to confirm any details that are critical to you. Visit us at EUGEN'S Auto Sales Center.